I have a story.
뭐야?
I joined ASEAN Korea Youth Network Workshop.
대박. 어때요?
Let's catch up for the details.
가자.
Kajja.
Story begins at Incheon Airport. Meet the Korean friends in support. 50 with one big team with one dream. Building future with our esteem. Kajja, Korea. Kajja with ASEAN. Kajja relations. Kajja with one vision.
Kajja, Korea. Kajja with ASEAN. Kajja relations. Kajja with one vision.
Together we say hello at Yonsei campus. All the ideas grow, green climate fun. And then I realize finance of future. It builds global ties. It's so energy dream, the sun was bright. Solar power, is shining light. We seek a culture at the modern art hall. AKC, we saw it all. Performance to the stage was alive. Music and dance met our spirit rise. ASEAN Korea culture combined, shining together, hand in hand we shine.
Kajja, Korea. Kajja with ASEAN. Kajja relations. Kajja with one vision.
Kajja, Korea. Kajja with ASEAN.
Kajja relations. Kajja with one vision. 하나, 둘, 셋, go. ASEAN Korea, we rise. History grows, future flies. 손 잡고 no chain break. 함께 joy we pay. 도와줘, we rise so high. Reach the sky 함께. No delay, collaboration. One strong foundation. Energy means culture bright. Respect, support, true life. 사랑의 평화, we hold tight. Shining future, glowing bright. ASEAN pride, Korea side. 하나 돼, one inside. Unity strong, never fall. 모두 함께 together all.
Kajja, Korea. Kajja with ASEAN.
Kajja relations. Kajja with one vision. Kajja Korea. Kajja with ASEAN.
Kajja relations. Kajja with one vision.
Kajja, Korea. Kajja with ASEAN.